Here we have Dr. Supriya, who is a medical doctor working in a reputed hospital. She approached me to activate her brain powers, especially the intuitive powers, as she has to appear for a post-graduation examination, that is MD in pediatrics. Cause after completing her MBBS, she had got married, then got into motherhood, has a 8-year-old daughter. To clear the entrance exam and continue her further studies, surely she needs a refreshed, sharper brain, excellent memory, and amazing intuition. She came to Goa with her husband, stayed in a hotel, and attended this 2 full-day weekend brain workshop. After the first day itself, she said, I'm feeling super calm, super peaceful, and have had deepest relaxing sleep of my life. Let us see what Dr. Supriya achieved in our 2-day adult brain activation workshop and what other miracles were in store for her. Let's go.
Dr. Mridula, the brain coach with Dr. Supriya. Dr. Mridula with Supriya and her husband Shishir.
Okay, so Supriya, Pranjana is holding a color and she is thinking that color. Now you have to focus on Pranjana's brain, Pranjana's thoughts. What is she thinking? Focus on her brain. Tell.
Red color.
Very good. Speak loudly and see.
Red color.
See. Amazing. Please clap for yourself. Very good. Next color. Tell.
Green color.
Very good. Look at her. Please clap for yourself. You know, this is one of the highest psychic ability. Yogis do it. After पहले ज़माने में ना सालों सालों आधे आधे जीवन रहते थे पहाड़ों में, तब जाके ये एबिलिटी डेवलप होती थी. You have done it on the second day. So amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
चलो, now focus. Tell, what is she thinking?
Blue color.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Next.
Orange.
Focus on her brain, not on her dress. कोई बात नहीं. This is the first time you're doing it. You're doing very good. बोलो. Yes, yes, yes.
Pink, pink.
Your brain told you in the first instant itself. मुझे यहाँ बैठ के पता है कि तुम्हारे ब्रेन को पता है, तुम बोल नहीं रहे हो सिर्फ. Because you are, I think, getting nervous or you are doubting yourself. You are doubting yourself कि ऐसे कैसे हो सकता है, इतनी बड़ी स्किल मैं कैसे कर रही हूँ कि मैं दूसरे का ब्रेन पढ़ पा रही हूँ, है ना. Take a long deep breath. This is the miracle of human brain. चलो अब बताओ. नेक्स्ट कलर. जल्दी बताओ, मेरी चाय ठंडी हो रही है.
Orange.
ऑरेंज. वेरी गुड.
I don't know why this orange is coming repeated.
नो नो, ऑरेंज है वो कलर.
Okay.
ऑरेंज है. क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्फ. सारे कलर्स हो गए. ऑल द कलर्स आर डन भाई. क्लैप फॉर योरसेल्फ प्लीज. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. चलो स्टार्ट. ओके, टेल क्या है, मतलब इन वन you have one color and one is empty.
Yeah.
Okay, so which one has one bead and which one is empty? Tell Dr. Supriya. What? It has bead? Opens. Wonderful. Up now, ask the color of the bead.
Yellow.
What? जोर से बोलो.
Yellow.
खोलो दिखाओ.
But the bead is in this hand. It's yellow.
Other benefits that participants get after brain activation workshops are better memory, better concentration, enhanced creativity, amazing intuition, telepathy, which is reading others' mind, better thought clarity, spiritual awakening, enhanced psychic powers, deep sound sleep, improved emotional control, improved relationships, amazing manifestations of dreams and goals, feeling younger with refreshed brain, agile and happy. To book your brain workshop, connect at yololights.com or mridulalawrence.com. Thank you for watching.